Welcome to your 6th grade vocabulary test on the Part 5 word list. Instructions. A definition will appear on the screen followed by a pause screen. Tap the YouTube pause button and write or enter your answer into a device for each definition. Ready? Here we go. To agree with. To worry about, or the item or matter to be worried over. The act of patronizing someone with an undertone of disrespect. To focus your attention or to cluster items or people. Consistent. A relationship through marriage, similar interests, or business. The termination of a procedure or event, or interpretation brought about by reasoning. An infectious, communicable disease. The direct result of a previous act or event. A charter containing fundamental principles designed to govern the activities of state or an organization. To build or assemble something, usually homes, roads, or objects. To eat or drink, also to purchase goods or expend a resource. A readily recognizable cluster of stars that are named to define a given area. To consider a person or thing to be without worth and to be scorned. To deal with an issue or be competitive in a competition. Also, to put forth an opinion. The details and factors that form a setting or specifications describing events and statements. An unbroken or uninterrupted run. To help with money or effort for a common purpose. To gather for an official, public, or secret meeting. To carry, transmit, or impart. A thin rope, usually braided, or an electrical wire with a plastic coating. To highlight differences. Working together or collaboration. Exchange of information, usually between two persons and consisting of facts, thoughts, opinions, and feelings. To avoid wasting materials, resources, or labor. Safe learning place. Please subscribe to this channel. curriculum, happy, VPK, preschool, math, language, toddler, happy, K12, nursery, writing, reading, social studies, language arts, teacher, colors, kids, music, courses, lessons, online, complete K12 essentials,